the Jews, they accuse Moses that his penis have a sexual problem and it is small, brother. So Allah wanted to cleanse Moses from their accusation, brother. Prophet of Allah, he said that Moses was a shy person. Very shy. Moisés is very shy. Hey Moisés, you like to take a shower with the men? No, no, no. I'm shy. So listen. So Allah, he was thinking how he can shut up the Jews who they accuse Moses that his penis is small and he have harina in his penis, sexual disease, STD. Allah, he thought about it like a high technology method. Nobody ever heard of that before. Method. He waited until Moses decided to take a shower. I mean, the story is so exciting. Aren't you excited to read it? Look. Now, after thousands of years, they are making a machine can talk and a machine can walk. Well, you know what? Thousands of years ago, Allah, he made a stone steal your clothing. And yes, Muhammad never been circumcised. You are right. So Banu Israel, they used to go and take a shower naked, shame on you, and saw the private part of one another. But Moses, peace be upon him, he used to take a bath alone in privacy. And there said, by Allah, nothing prevent Moses from taking bath along with us, but scrotal hernia. Man, this guy, they accuse him of sexual disease. One day, Moses was taking a bath alone. Remember, he's shy. He placed his clothes upon the stone. That's why I will never put my clothing on a stone. Never. But the stone began to move along with the clothes. And Moses ran after it, screaming. Like, actually, the story here, what the heck? The story is short here. What happened? The Muslim, they cut it. Where the story? Here we go. The story here is better. Hold on. Here the story is better. The story there is cut off. So here it says, so when he finished the bath, he moved toward his clothes. Look, the stone did not move until he is coming out of the water. So Moses can see the stone, and then he will chase the stone. The stone, she don't want to steal the clothing and run. No. The stone, she want Moses to chase it until he arrived to downtown. Look at the intelligence and the discovery of technical support of Allah. Allah giving support to Prophet Moses. He want to show them that his penis is so beautiful and he have no sexual disease. So when he finished the bath, he moved toward his clothes and to take them. But the stone took his clothes and fled. What a disgusting stone. I'm so disappointed of you, stone, son of Mut'ab. Thief, disgusting. What is your ethic? Aren't you a Muslim stone? I thought Muslim stones don't steal. Only the Prophet of Allah he steal. A stone and is committing theft? Where is your manner? Where is the teaching of Allah? How you do such a thing to Prophet of Allah, Prophet Moisseј? How he will pay for his taxi and his bus now to go home? How he will order Netflix? You took his wallet, you took his clothes, and now he is naked, totally naked. May Allah shame you, stone. So Moses, when he saw the stone is moving, he went crazy. He's a Jew. You steal the wallet of a Jew? You must be kidding me. Moses, he cannot run away after the stone. without his stick. He took his stick and he ran after the stones, saying and screaming, "Oh stone! Oh stone! Oh stone!" If you are a Muslim and you are stoned with such a story, we have the solution for you. Joe Biden, he have cocaine in the White House. He said it does not belong to Hunter. However, as long he deny it belong to anyone, go and take it. The end of commercial. Moses was so upset. It was a hilarious moment. He never saw such a thing before. A stone, yet a thief. What a horrible time. We can't even trust the stones. This stone, she must be a female. She must be a female. She wanna do shopping. Moses, he took his stone, his stick. Commercial time, sorry. If you have a problem with your stick, I'm not talking dirty, I'm talking about your joystick for gaming. Prophet Moses, the Muslim Moses, he have the best stick, can give you any joy. This is why Prophet Moses, he never moved without it. And this stick is a solution for anyone. He is a brick. Buy it now before it's too late. We have a limited number of the stick of Moisei. Touched by the stone of Allah, and it's going to be blessed. End of commercial. So Moses, when he saw the stone, his eyes was coming out. Wow. He ran after the stone, speaking to the stone. "Oh stone, I beg you, please give me my garment. Oh stone, please." What a sad moment. You are a prophet of God, yet you are begging a stone. "Stone, stop please. I beg you, stop." The stone is not listening. The stone keep running, and he is running after the stone until he arrived downtown. If you are right now in downtown of Mecca, we have a special medicine for you. It's not camel urine, no. It's not neglecid, no. It's not even 7 ajwa, no. Eat the Quran. Imagine if the Quran is inside you. Do you think the bacteria have a place there? Brother, no way. Don't listen to my advice. Otherwise, you will end in the hospital. End of commercial. Moses keep running after the stone, screaming, "Stone, give me my garment, you stupid stone!" Until he reached a group of the children of Israel. The group, they saw Moses naked, totally naked, very naked. And they look at him. Women are staring. Men are daring. Animals are afraid because of what they saw. Commercial time. What they saw cannot be described. Subscribe right now to Netflix. They have a lot of porn. It's a very good station for your kids. They will learn how to be educated, and they will learn how to join the rainbow. Netflix is a solution for you are in a bad situation. End of commercial. And then when the Jews they saw him naked, then they found him the best. Do you know what the best mean? He have the best penis, the best testicle, the best tools Allah ever created. I can't describe them for you, but it was the best. And you need to forget about the rest. And this is the end of the story. Allah wanted to prove that the penis and the testicles of a prophet Moses is so good to be true. The Jews didn't want to believe. Go sub, brother. Chick. Prophet Moses, he have a short penis. Prophet Moses, he put the eyeglasses in his penis because he have a bad vision. Prophet Moses, he have a small testicles. Prophet Moses, he have bumbles in his bumbaline over his penis. Allah wanted to prove to them that he have the best ever penis. Do you see how Allah he care for his messengers? I don't know why Allah did not do the same for Muhammad. I mean, the Muslims accuse him that his penis is not even exist. Isn't it the Quran says that somebody told him that your penis is not functioning and you cannot have kids? I mean, if Allah can make the stone run, can't Allah make Muhammad have a son? Let it go, let it go. Unbelievable. Do we have any son? And by the way, hey Muslims, I mean the Jews, the people, nobody, not only that, after he got the stone stopped. Listen. I did not continue the story. Sorry, I apologize. It's my bad. Allah cleared him from what they accused him. The stone stopped there. Brother and sisters, the stone stopped there. Where? In the middle of the community. Why? So they can see his penis. What for? To clean his reputation. And then what happened? What happened after that? Moses is not an easy cookie to play with, you stupid stone. Moses, he grabbed his stick and he started hitting the stone. And Muhammad said, I swear by Allah, I swear by Allah, the stone still have some traces of the hitting. But I'm not sure if there are 3 or 4 or 5 marks. Brothers, the traces are still there. True story. But I am not sure. 3 or 4 or 5. You know, like the story is true. The only problem now, we are not sure how many mark on the stone. Prophet Muhammad is not, he's decent. Decency. Story is absolutely perfect. The only thing he is not sure from, I'm not sure really 3, 4, 5. Hey, Prophet, can you squeeze your memory? Like what how come you don't remember? I mean, you remembered all the story, and now you cannot remember 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. I mean, what, Moses, he just hit her 3 times? Shouldn't we cut the stone hand? Isn't the punishment of thief in Islam to cut his hand? Unless he is stealing from a Christian, then it's okay. And you notice here in the story, all the people who they are watching, They did not even notice the stone running between them, because at that time stones used to run normally. Nobody noticed, like, what a big deal. People used to see stone running like, you know, at that time stones, they are solar, you know, they have solar system. So none of the Jews was like, what the heck, a stone is running. Even Moses himself, he did not say to himself, what the heck, stone is running? No, he was talking to the stone, asking the stone to stop and to give him his garment. What that is telling us, at that time, stones have bad reputation. They steal wallet and clothing. Otherwise, you need to explain to me why Moses was not surprised when he saw the stone running and taking his clothing, and why he's talking to the stone. The answer is very simple. This is a stone from very well-known thief families. They call them thief stone. Okay, many of you now, kuffar Christians, don't believe me. How many of you went to the beach and you put your wallet and your pant on the rock and you lost it? If you did that, give me one. If this happened to you, you see, I'm trying to show you. Okay, I see somebody saying one. Okay, his name is a Christian prince. So we have first witness. One more witness, we will be... Okay, we have second witness. His name is a Christian prince. So now we have two witnesses that this has happened. That must be true. Two witnesses, a Christian prince, and the other person, his name is a Christian prince. Thank you, Christian prince, for being a witness, for giving us one. So this is a true story because now we have two witnesses. You know, in the case of fornication, we need four witnesses, by the way, and you have to see the penis of the man going in and out. But in the case of the stone, who need a witness anyway? I mean, that two witnesses is enough. You know, the problem is solved. Unbelievable. Hey, Muslims, if there is any witnesses for this story, what the heck is that? Allah want to make the men, all the people, see the Prophet naked, just to prove that his penis is functioning, and it's okay.